Today, we are going to do Igbo conversation. Say it.
Igbo conversation.
Gịnị bụ Iwotara?
If I know.
If you understand.
If I understand.
Yeah, what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So, Iwotara. You may go homework.
Yes, I did.
How do you respond to it now in Igbo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, gịnị bụ akwụkwọ?
My book.
Your book is akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is paper. Your book can also be called akwụkwọ.
Okay.
Akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ.
So, who is Ada?
Me.
You are Ada. Okay. What is poor?
Go.
Go. What is bia?
Come.
What is biarieni?
Come and eat.
Come and eat. Okay. What is jelahola?
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. What is noronwayo?
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Okay. What is jekbo nwanegi?
Go call the boy.
The boy, your sibling. Jekbo Maggie.
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 Mamagi.
Mama.
Gi. Not Mamagi. Mamagi.
Mamagi.
Papagi.
Like you.
Yes. What is Ikene? What Ikene? Ikene Ikene.
Did you greet?
Did you greet? And then how do you greet your father?
I say, I come and then say, good morning, sir.
How do you do it?
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ mama.
Not ụtụtụ mama. Do it well.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. What is your name?
Afambo. Awesome.
Afambo. Awesome.
Afambo.
Count 1 to 3 in Igbo till 10.
1 ofu, 2 iwa, 3 ato, 4 ano, 5 ise, 6 isi, 7 asa, 8 asato, 9 itolu, 10 iri.
One is who?
A girl.
A girl.
And woman is
A girl is agbọghọ.
Abo.
Agbọghọ, agbọghọbịa.
Abo.
Young girl is called agbọghọbịa. Say it.
Abo.
Agbọghọbịa.
Abobia.
Not agbọghọbịa. Agbọghọbịa.
Abobia.
Agbọghọbịa.
Abogobia.
Young man is okorobịa.
Okorobia.
Okorobịa.
Korobia.
Old man is?
Old man is okoro.
Okenye.
Okenye bia.
Okenye, no, okenye.
Okenye.
Yeah. So, old woman is what?
Old woman is okere. Yeah.
Okay.
Okono.
Let me teach you about market days.
Market
So,
days.
we have Eke.
Eke? What is Eke?
Eke is Eke market.
Eke market.
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 We have 4 different markets.
I know that.
We have Eke. Say it.
Eke.
Afọ.
Afọ.
Orie.
Orie.
Nkwọ.
Nko.
Eke.
Eke.
Afọ.
Afọ.
Orie.
Orie.
Nkwọ.
Nko. Nke. Afọ. Kori.
Orie.
Orie. Afọ.
Nkwọ.
Nko.
So,
This is Monday, Tuesday.
No, Monday, Tuesday is the days of the week.
Okay.
The Englishman does 7 days in a week.
Okay.
But in my culture, we do 4 days market.
Okay.
Ancient way of counting season. They count it 4.
Okay, because of
See,
this four
they don't use,
seasons.
yes, 4 seasons, just like you said, when we have winter, spring, falling, and summer. And I believe we are mostly the correct one. The 4 market days and the counting is the best because there will be no confusion because of the odd number. 7 is an odd number.
Yeah.
So 8 is evening number.
Yeah.
So it would be better to count with evening number, which is dividable. I'm sticking to the season system of Igbo people, which I know some Africans are using, the 4 and evening number way of counting.
Yeah, and
So
that's why February has 28
28 days.
or 29.
29 sometime. Let's just talk about going to market. Ahia,
Ahia.
not ahia. Ahia.
Ahia.
The tone is very important.
Yeah.
When you say ahia, some people will say, what are you talking about? So you have to say ahia.
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 Kanji ahia.
Kanji. Ahia.
Kanji ahia.
Kanji.
Kanji
Kanji. Ahia.
ahia. What does that mean?
I'm going to shopping
I'm going to market.
market.
So, what is money in Igbo?
Money is ego
How did you know that?
because of you.
You're an Igbo
Isn't
girl.
that true?
So, ego.
Ego.
Nyem ego.
Give me money.
Good. So, you have to know it because you can't talk about market days without talking about money.
Yeah.
You